Addict, it's Jackie. It's another Sunday, which means I'm at Aldi. However, this week is a little different. I am not meal planning this week. We have a packed fridge. I'll share that with you at the end. And with some supplemental hauls that I did earlier this week, hunting for like taquitos or red cabbage, I ended up getting more groceries and my fridge literally cannot take more food. So I am not meal planning. We are going to just keep eating the food that we have open, used, cooked, half portions left. We're using up food that we have leftovers from last week, and we're gonna use our pantry, our freezer, and I'm not even meal planning. We have a very busy week with our last full week of school, and we're just gonna get through. So I'm gonna share with you what I'm getting this week at Aldi. I'm also gonna share with you the mini hauls that I did at Target, Fresh Thyme, and Meyer this week. They're all very small, but you're gonna see it all, and let's get into Aldi, see what I got, and then I'll take you back to earlier this week. $1.68, getting tortilla chips and medium salsa for $1.95 for Memorial Day. We are going to have a small little barbecue for the pool. Also going to get these. They're my absolute favorite, $2.49 again for the pool. Since my freezer's so full, I'm saying no, but you guys know I love red stickers, so I have to show them to you. We use our white bread all the time for sandwiches and toast, 93 cents. And then we have all of our Costco hot dogs. We're gonna grill them tomorrow on Memorial Day, 89 cents for hot dog bones. I'm getting lettuce because we have a lot of open salad toppings that I wanna try using, $2.89, and we'll have lots of salads this week. I have room to store apples and we will eat these really well, $3.79, easy fruit. $3.52 for 2% milk, $2.95 for whipped cream. This week we did run out of some things that we use all the time. Minced garlic, $2.19. I somehow ran out of olive oil, so getting more, $3.89. I ran out of flour this week, so I'm gonna get a bag at $1.56. Obviously, coffee is still a necessity. I'm gonna get the breakfast blend at $4.19. Whee! So our middle aisles are being stocked right now, but these acai bowls are $2.79. Popsicles. Not too much new here, just a lot of the regulars. They have manicotti and stuffed shells. I'm looking for pretzels and I think I'm out of luck. Nope. So I haven't bought my water in a long time, but I am back to drinking it this week. I'm done with 75 hard in a few days. I went up from 59 cents to 79 cents. I'm still gonna get 4 of them, which is all they had of the plain. A lot of this outdoor stuff has been here for a while, but I think the bumper boats are new, and those are $50. And then the sit and play picnic table with umbrella. I do not know how this keeps staying here without getting marked down, but hello. And they have the beanbag toss. Those are $45. Hanging baskets are not very impressive in my opinion, but they're here. They look sad. I am so intrigued by these ladies' denim joggers, but I just don't think they'd look good on me. $12.99. I do think I'm gonna get these bras though. They look really comfy. I'm gonna get the black and the nude. $9.99. I have Aldi bras that I love, so yay. My kids would love these balls, but if we have another ball at our house, I think we might turn into a toy store. Lots of repeats. I don't see a lot of new stuff. This portable fire pit is beautiful, and if I knew we could have it safely underneath a pavilion, I might try to talk my husband into it, but $200 is pretty expensive. Cooler totes, hooded towels, we love those at our house. Lots of planters, pet grooming tools, gardening gloves. Oh, that's kind of nice. Gardening hats. Actually, I kind of feel like getting my husband one of these for when he works outside, but I don't think he'd wear it. But he gets real rosy. I love these indoor-outdoor rugs. The gnomes are on clearance and they're still here, but this isn't on clearance. I kind of want that to go down. That's still there. Rugs. We have so many markdowns in our Aldi. Like, look at all of these. Rain boots, desk, so many like wintry type pajamas, bras. Loft House Memorial cookies look delicious. Clearance continues. Obviously, I need none of it, but there's just so much here. I must resist. Oh, someone asked what I use my flour sack towels for. I like to put them on top of food, like yeast dough that's rising. I like to cover it with that. Okay, this is finally marked down to $39.99, but my husband said he doesn't know if he'd actually use it. So I'll tell him the new price. We'll see if we're back for it. Same with this. I'm so tempted. My mom actually asked me if, oh, but they're missing their chopsticks. She asked me to look out for these with the chopsticks, but I think I'll still get her that, and her birthday's coming up this summer. $4.99. Uh-oh, my husband might be sad because this is the only ice cream I see. Oh, there's more. Yay. $5.49, and you know this is an essential to my husband. He loves this stuff, which is why I had to get whipped cream too. We still have the portable heaters, outdoor gas pets, so many things. Seating, it's all here, and it's all starting to get marked down. It's funny because it seems like in years past Aldi had like 2 of these per store, and now they oversupplied us. Okay, here's my cart for the week. Any guesses on the total? And don't forget, we're going into some other stores from earlier this week. Stay tuned. While I'm in line all the way back here, I'm grabbing this. Since I haven't been able to drink in 75 days, this looks good. I didn't know it was back. $3.99. Never seen these. They look delicious. $2.89. I spent $59.46. Here are my groceries. Now let me take you back to my hauls earlier this week. We are at Fresh Thyme to get kale and red cabbage. They do not have taquitos here as well. Oh, we already paid for that. We're in Target for our 3rd attempt to get taquitos. We have finally struck gold. We're gonna get chicken and cheese taquitos and beef tacos, $3.99 a piece. And when you bring your kids with you, you end up getting stuff like this for their lunches. And then, in a moment of weakness, I saw these and I'm buying them also for $2.99. Are you back here? One bag if you're a 12-year-old. My husband wanted to make strawberry rhubarb pie this evening, so he sent me to Meyer. I got one of my workouts in. I can easily walk to Meyer. Can't walk to Aldi, so I'm gonna share with you guys my small Meyer haul. So the reason I was gonna go to Meyer was we ran out of orange juice and we're having our breakfast dinner tonight, so I wanted to get orange juice. My husband, as I mentioned, wanted me to get pie crust because he wanted to make a strawberry rhubarb pie. His parents brought us rhubarb from their garden, so he was inspired, and unfortunately they were out of the Meyer brand, so I had to pay $4.19 for these crusts. Honestly, it kind of killed me to do it, but I won't be regretful when I'm eating pie tonight. The orange juice was $2.89. I bought each of my girls 2 cheese pizza Lunchables. I was going to get them nachos. These were on sale for $1.09 a piece. They completely didn't have any single nachos, so their last week of school lunches, they'll each get 2 of these. I bought 4 pounds of strawberries. My husband asked me to get these, of course, for the strawberry rhubarb pie. He didn't need 4 pounds, but they were $2.99 for a 2-pound container. It's a really great price. We've already ate 4 pounds of strawberries this week, so I know we will have no problem finishing these. And then finally, because I went hungry, I bought more pistachios. I love this flavor, and I ran out of pistachios earlier this week. I've been enjoying opening my eating window with pistachios and pepitas, but I ran out of pistachios. High in protein and very satisfying snack. Altogether, my Meyer total was $23.41. this is the current state of my fridge and why I am not gonna grocery shop much. I need to eat food that's in here. So while I didn't do my meal plan, if you want to see how a normal week of grocery shopping goes, if you're new around here, you can check out this video which shares with you a normal weekly grocery haul and meal plan. I normally plan out an entire week of dinners and I didn't do that, so if you want to see a normal one, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.